In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add NinjaTrader to TradingView. By the end, you'll have NinjaTrader enabled on your account, connected inside TradingView's trading panel, and confirmed with a live connection indicator so you can place trades directly from TradingView. First, enable the integration in your NinjaTrader account dashboard. In your browser, open your NinjaTrader account dashboard and sign in if you're not already. On the dashboard, click Settings. Then open the Plans section. Here, look for the TradingView add-on, click Subscribe, and confirm the TradingView add-on at $9.99 per month. Follow the on-screen confirmation to finish the subscription. Once you see that the TradingView add-on is active, the integration on the NinjaTrader side is enabled and ready. Next, switch to TradingView. Open TradingView in your browser or desktop app. At the bottom of the screen, click Trading Panel to open it. This is where you connect supported brokers and trading services. From here, select your broker. In the Trading Panel, find the NinjaTrader icon in the list of supported brokers. Click the NinjaTrader logo to start the connection process. A login window for NinjaTrader will appear. Now, log in with your NinjaTrader credentials. In the login window, type the same username and password you use for your NinjaTrader account dashboard. Double-check for typos before submitting, especially if you're copying and pasting. Click Log in to proceed. If the credentials are correct, you'll be taken to the connection options. At this point, confirm the connection type and connect. Choose either Live or Demo. If you're testing or not ready to place real trades, choose Demo. If you're connecting to your funded account for real trading, choose Live. After selecting the environment, click Connect. Give it a moment. You should see a green dot appear, indicating a successful connection between NinjaTrader and TradingView. Once that green dot is visible, your NinjaTrader account is now added to TradingView, the integration is active, and the connection is working. You can keep the trading panel open to monitor the status, and you're ready to use NinjaTrader through TradingView's interface as needed. That completes the setup. Your NinjaTrader to TradingView connection is now successfully added and confirmed. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.